Alright, this is the Kill Kitchen tutorial.
Weapons online.
And, Mike, I'm going to show you how to roll with the Kill Kitchen. Alright, Kill Kitchen is basically a support mech. He is capable of dishing out close range damage, but if you see I have the two SRM4s, I only have 12 shots with those. Well, 12.5. So you don't really want to stay in a mech's wheelhouse. You want to use the AC-10 for some range along with the LRM-15. Because we're so slow in the Kill Kitchen, we usually tend to get to fights late. So while we're on our way to the fight, that's where we usually provide our support with the AC-10 and the LRM-15. I went with the AC-10 rather than the Gauss rifle because the AC-10 has a great firing rate, and the Gauss rifle, I'm not really a big fan of the new changes to it to charge it up and shoot it. Something to note is the medium pulse lasers. I have them chain firing. I have 3 of them. They're good for direct damage, and you really want to pace yourself when firing those because they tend to get you overheating fast. This mech is also good for just chasing off lights.
New target acquired.
Again, with the pulse lasers are great for close range. Well, just sit back and watch, I guess. I got a cataphract over here. With the LRM-15s, 540 rounds, that comes out to something like, I believe it's right around 30 shots. So you can be just taking pop shots with those as well. But you don't want to waste too much ammo. Make sure you have the clear shot. On this map, I'm just kind of trying to figure out where I want to start attacking from. Again, this is a support mech. If you do find yourself in close combat with, let's say, an Atlas, you want to make sure you get the hell out of there because you're not going to win that.
New target acquired.
This doesn't have, with the missiles, it doesn't have the launch doors, kind of like the catapult, so you can just fire at these, and they pretty much fire at a good pace.
New target acquired. New target acquired.
Find some action here. Another thing I like to do with the Kill Kitchen is when I'm firing the LRMs, I like to do a little jump with it. Just to get over any obstacles in the way of fire. Sometimes I do a little jump.
New target acquired.
Seems like we got some action around this corner. Oh, there we go. Stalker did take a beat, though.
Target acquired.
Again, the SRMs, I have them alpha, well, not alpha striking, firing at the same time.
New target acquired.
There's an Atlas there. Again, you don't want to be the first one over. Even though it's a heavy mech, you still don't want to take all. It's not good to take damage in this thing.
New target acquired. New target acquired. New target acquired. New target acquired.
I do have numbers on these guys up here. I
Acquired.
want to get myself in a good position to fire. Those missiles were hitting.
New target acquired.
What I like about Kill Kitchen is the maneuverability on him as well. He, with the jump jets, he's not the fastest mech, obviously, but he
New
does
target
get himself into
acquired.
good positions to fire.
Target acquired.
That fucker's going down. One way or another, motherfucker.
New target acquired. New target acquired.
See, I want to make sure that I'm fighting instances where it's going to be a 2-on-1. I always like jumping people in, you know that. They do have numbers on us over here. We kind of just got to hold our position in here.
New target acquired. New target acquired. Warning, incoming missile. Warning, incoming missile. Fuel at 0. Medium pulse laser destroyed. Right torso critical damage. Incoming missile. Right torso destroyed. Right arm destroyed. Center torso critical damage.
Ah! Fucking got jumped. But, as you can see, I did 429 damage. I wasn't really fighting too much. I didn't even get to use my LRMs as much, or too much. But, all in all, it was a pretty good match. Got 2 kills, 3 assists. So, although we didn't win, put on a good fight. This guy's matchstick, so
Missile.
he's screwed. But, as you can see, I was taking on those Atlases, and, I was spinning around, making sure that they hit up all my armor. I kind of like want to rotisserie yourself when it comes to taking damage. On our team, I did third most damage, and I didn't even get to use the LRMs, so not too bad. Alright, and that was your tutorial on Kill Kitchen.